Hi folks, we're here again doing another demonstration with the Vapor Chief steam vacuum tool. Again, before we start, we always have our vacuum hose separate from our extractor tool. It goes on as simple as this, and again, we need to slide the lock-in piece over counterclockwise, so as we're steaming, the piece won't pull off. That's very important to know. If you don't lock it in, it's going to blow off. And again, we show this in our introduction video. Now, we have a beige floor mat here. It's really not too dirty. I'm just using this as demonstration. Now, we've just done a seat on this Volkswagen that had a stain on it. You can watch that video as well. What we're going to do here is with the 125 injection machine, we're going to use the injection on the injection machine. There's just water in the tank right now, so we didn't put any special carpet cleaner or all-purpose cleaner in the tank. It's just water. It's going to suck up water. And however this format comes out, I'm not too sure, but I just want to show this for demonstration purposes. I don't have any other floor mats here. Now again, what we need to do, we're ready to go with steam. The steam is on. So we're ready to go with steam. Now just for those of you who have purchased the 125 machine on your steam hose, the injection is in the back of the hose. So to activate your injection, you hold this button in, that starts the pump, and that starts the wetness. Now, look at how wet and how hot that is. So you're going to get things wet pretty fast if you choose to use the injection method. I would not use the injection on seats because you're going to get the seats too wet. It's going to work as a traditional carpet extractor. So floor mats are fine. Obviously, you can take those out of the car. You can even power wash them. We're not saying you even need to do that here. On carpets that are muddy or ground in dirt, this is where it's going to help. And if you bought a 125 machine, this is where it's going to work as its maximum type of tool to simulate the injection. So now what we have to do is we have to turn our own vacuum on, and it should be pretty much near you, but our hose is long enough, your vacuum hose is long enough, you just mate the two together. We turn our vacuum on, we already have steam ready to go, and we already have injection ready to go. So we're going to start off with steam, and then as I feel that I need the injection, we're going to put that down, and you're going to look at the way the water gets sucked up through the suction tool. And it just demonstrates how wet you can actually get this if you do have the 125 machine. That's steam only. Now we're going to ask for injection. Now we're back to just vacuuming. No more steam, no more injection. Now we'll go back to injection as the machine starts to recover. We'll go back to asking for injection. Now we'll go back just to vacuum, and I'll take my hands off of everything and just vacuum. And once you see the wetness minimized coming up through your carpet or your seat or whatever, then you know that you've gotten a lot of the wetness out. Now this is wet. So that simulated more of an extractor, but that was just water, so we didn't have any chemical on there. But that just shows how hot water mixed with the steam, how well that can clean. Now, if you missed it a little bit of all-purpose cleaner, Optimum Power Clean, whatever your favorite carpet cleaner is, that accelerates the cleaning. You could have brushed this a little bit, either manually or went to your steam hose and brushed that. So this was just extraction. And what we showed here was the extraction of the 125 machine. Now, on the 100 machine and the 75 machine, obviously you're not going to have extraction, but what we did was we cleaned the seat on this car with steam only. So go to this video and you can see what we did on this seat with just steam only turning the pressure down on this machine. So we think the tool is pretty versatile. Again, it's going to work with all three machines, the 75, the 100, the 125. The 125 gives you the injection, which operates more as a true extractor. Feel free to call us with any questions.